Hello, y'all. I have a good question. This is a very good question based on the Bible. Why is the man is the responsible for the sin, and who was had fault, a woman or a man? This is a tricky question, but listen, this is my answer. A man is the responsible of his responsibility to his family as a father of his kids and a husband of his wife. He needs to provide what they needs and to protect of any storm of their family. And the role of a woman is to appreciate, to protect of what a man provide to his family. She only protect what a man provide. But in the Bible also, Eve walking alone in the garden, it's because she was searching what Adam cannot provide to her, like food, love, affection. He cannot provide for Eve what she need. That's why Eve walking alone in the garden. It's the same thing in this real time. If your husband cannot provide to your wife, it's still the same. If he could, if he was cheating, it's because he can't provide himself to love himself. His emptiness cannot provide himself. That's why he was searching to the other women. And guess what? God is the first created. Adam is the first created in this world who he have more responsibility than a woman. If he if he feels emptiness of his heart, that's not a woman's problem. It's his problem because he don't know how to love himself. And that's not our responsibility to build him. No, we don't. That's not our responsibility. He needs to provide himself first before he gets married, before he get into the relation. That's a tricky question, but it's a lot of lesson. Why a man always blaming to their wife why they are wanted to cheat? That his problem. If he love himself, if he know that he was amazing man, if he know that he was love himself, if he know that he was perfect person, he don't need to chase love for somewhere because he can provide to his girlfriend or to his wife. Don't chase love. Chase yourself to love yourself first. Don't chase anywhere to love you. Love yourself first. That's very, very important of a man building a family. Then you cannot blame to your wife the admiration that you are looking for. That's why you spent money for other. It's because this say something good stuff to you, because you are empty in yourself. But if you know you are good enough as a man, as a husband, as a father of the family that you built in, then you can say, I'm proud of my family right now. I'm so proud. I have amazing wife. I had amazing kids. You know already how you built your relation to your family. You realize already yourself, I'm good enough. I'm worthy to love. I'm worthy to prove my family that I'm strong enough. Don't chase love for somewhere, because every one of us is not perfect except God. Except God. Two person, a man or a woman, are separate. They don't know each other, but because of love that is given from God, then you decide to get married. When you decide to get married, you are not two person. You are one. It's a covenant. It's a covenant. One covenant. Then you have to face the truth that you built your family already. You have to provide what they need to your wife, to your kids. Even if the girl like you have your boundaries. You have your boundaries that you need to respect my family, and you have to respect your wife, because you choose her to be your wife. Don't blame her. Don't chase love her somewhere. Love yourself. Guess what? The way we connect to God for His words, for His holiness, is by the Bible. If you read the Bible, His words is in there, and feel that words in your heart. You can read and you feel the words that He have in the Bible. Then you're completely say, I'm a God son. You don't need to blame someone. It's because you cheating, because you're emptiness, because you drain, because you're tired. It's okay to be tired. Don't chase anything. Be satisfied of what we have. Be satisfied of what God gave us. Then you can realize life is full of happiness and full of love. God was so amazing. How He loved us. Did no one, remember this, no one can make a water. Just only God. No one can build the world. No one can give a life to His people. Just God. And don't destroy a person's heart, especially they know who was God. Don't destroy them, because if they cry, God says them. The tears that falling from their eyes is sacred, because they cried from the heart what they feel. Even if you say you are smart, you are pretty, you are handsome, but you destroy one person's heart, God says that. God say everything what you did, even if you're hiding. God heard what you see. God heard what you talking about to destroy that person. And guess what? God punish you. I promise you.